Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Soto's class. This is the section about set builder and interval notation. Before we begin into set builder and interval notation, I want to talk to you guys about the types of sets that we have. The types of sets that we have are the natural, the whole, the integers, rational, irrational, and the last one is the real. We have 6 types of number sets that we're going to be talking about. Before jumping into this section, it's important to understand these number sets. So the natural number sets, we're going to be using a symbol that looks like an N, capital N like this, double line. The next one, the whole numbers, has a W that looks like this. The integers, we use a Z that looks like this. The rational numbers, we use a Q that looks like this. Irrational numbers use an I, and then the real numbers, we use an R. These are the symbols that we're going to be using whenever we create our set builder. When we describe the elements of a set, we're going to be talking about the set of the integers, we're going to be using the symbol. The set of the whole numbers, the set of the natural numbers, and so on and so forth. So, we got to understand what kind of elements belong in each set. The natural numbers, they're also known as your counting numbers. And just because the counting numbers, they start with 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's how we're going to name these. These are the 1, 2, 3, and it keeps going. These are your counting numbers, they're your natural numbers. They begin with 1, and then 2, 3, and they keep going. The 3 dots represent that it keeps going forever. It doesn't have an end. Your whole numbers, they're exactly like your natural numbers, except they have one extra number, which is the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and it keeps going forever, just like the natural numbers. After the whole numbers, we have the set of integers. The set of integers, they begin from the left, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then it keeps going forever. It goes forever to the left, it goes forever to the right. After the integers, we have the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be anything that can be changed into a fraction. So any number, like the 1, for example, 1 can be changed to a fraction by dividing it by 1. 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So you can say that the number 1 is rational. You can say that 0 is rational. You can also say that 3/4 is rational. You can even go into the negatives. -1/2, -5/3 if you like. Even decimal numbers like 1.999. All of these numbers are examples of rational numbers because they can be changed to fractions. For example, this is 999, they can be changed to a fraction. The next one, irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers are numbers